Principle 1. Deliver maximum level of information in limited time and space. Okay, great. In this part of the course, we will discuss some of the most important principles you must follow when building a presentation. If you respect these rules, you will make sure the presentations you create are professional and deliver the message you want to convey. Sounds good? Let's get started then. The first principle we'll study underlies all other principles and makes presentations an efficient communication tool. It takes time, careful planning, hard work, and multiple drafts to prepare a good informative slide that can be quickly and easily digested by the audience and brings its attention straight to the point, delivering the intended messages. A slide can be very detailed and include a great deal of information, like a company profile, for example, or it can be more high level, but with exactly the right messages standing out, like an executive summary. The style of slides would depend on the purpose and audience of the presentation, as we will see later. But the key messages should really jump out of the page and should be evident in slide titles and subtitles, text boxes, chart titles, and in the bullet point highlights on the side. A person who sees the slide for the first time should be able to understand its main idea in less than 10 seconds. Therefore, it is imperative we create slides that are easy to digest and as clear as possible, delivering the intended messages right away.